Hello and welcome to Greetingstar. I'm so glad you could join me today. So I am doing an unboxing of the Simon Says Stamp limited edition holiday card kit for December of 2022, and this is called the Festive Feathered Friends. Again, that's Festive Feathered Friends. And you're going to get these two markers from Spectrum Noir. These are the new tri-blends. So you get 3 different colors in one marker, and they're brush markers. And I tried the red one out. I haven't tried the green one out, and I really like it, guys. I think it's pretty cool. So you get 3-in-1 colors, which helps you to be able to quickly just grab one marker and add all the shading and depth that you need to your images. You also get these beautiful little tags. They come in silver and gold and white and craft, and they have a beautiful sheen to them, as well as some of them have some embossing on them, so that's very nice. And you can see the beautiful at the top. They've all got those wonderful eyelets to keep them nice and sturdy, and also some twine to tie them. Now you're also going to get this Tim Holtz Ideology pine twine, which has a wire in it. You could also use this on your those tags if you wanted to, or use it to create a multimedia project or create some holiday decorations or what have you. Now you get 3 dies in this kit, guys. You get these beautiful birds, partridges or quail, whatever you call them, and tidings of cheer, and then happy holidays. So that is really great. And I can see that those word dies also have the shadow or background die with them, so that's nice. And you get this Holly Jolly Berries embossing folder. They always send you that little sucker. And then this Tim Holtz Ideology ephemera, the Christmas ephemera, and I'll open that a little bit later. You get this really sweet little gift card holder. You get some of this dimensional foam adhesive. I think it's about 1/8 of an inch, and then these beautiful gold, silver, and white envelopes for some Christmas cards. And then you also get this beautiful pattern paper. This is from Craft Consortium, and it's called 'Tis the Season. Now look at that beautiful shine and sheen on these papers. They're just gorgeous. Some very dark, rich colors. Make some gorgeous cards with these. I love all these designs. They're very busy, but they're very beautiful. Very rich, I think, looking. And what's cool about it is that, look at that sweet little fawn there. You can see the shine and the shimmer on that starry one. And then you can cut out some of these, do some fussy cutting to add to your card some images. So yep, it's from the Craft Consortium. You could see that right there, and it's called 'Tis the Season. And then you get this beautiful stamp set. This is a 6x8 stamp set. It has images and greetings, which are wonderful, some smaller ones and some larger ones. Now these snowflakes are supposed to coordinate with this swan. I haven't used it yet, so I'm not sure how it works, but I'll let you know as soon as I do. And I'll be having some cards with this kit coming up here, so stay tuned for that. So this is the Festive Feathered Friends stamp set. And then you get some beautiful cardstock. You get this green cardstock, this Nina Solar White. This is 110-pound Nina Solar White. You get this positively, it's like velvet. I'm not sure what they call it, but I know the word positively. Now this isn't acetate, that's shrink material. That's that heat shrink material, so you can stamp it and cut it out and then shrink it. And then that red was that beautiful, it looked like photo paper, and that was just gorgeous as well. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and show you these beautiful ephemera, and I'll probably just put some music on so you can just watch it. Now I love the Tim Holtz ephemera. It's true ephemera. It's very vintage and beautiful. You can use this to do your scrapbooking or multimedia projects, or you could even create cards with a vintage look or a multimedia look, whatever you want to do. These make excellent focal points, excellent you can use these to layer on your cards and create lots of neat, fun looks for your Christmas cards. So, or whatever project you're doing for Christmas decoration around your home, or like I said, any kind of scrapbooking or multimedia project. So let me put some music on so you can enjoy this, and stay tuned at the end to see that cute little mesh bag that comes with these kits. And here's a look at that cute little bag as promised. This is the mesh bag that you get in the kit, and it measures 12 by 10, so it'll hold all of your 8.5 by 11 paper, and all of your cardstocks and all the supplies that come in the kit. So it's a nice way to store all of your stuff and have it at hand when you're ready to use it. So thanks for joining me today, guys. I hope you had fun, and I hope you got inspired. Stay tuned for cards that will be coming up, and I will see you soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.